guys, hope all is well. So today I'm in Revelstoke and I'm going to try out the pipe coaster. So that was a lot of fun. I got to control the speed of the coaster as I was going down. They made me put my hat on backwards, make sure it didn't fall off. But I had a lot of fun. Got a little bit of airtime too, which was amazing. My coaster friends will love that one. Unfortunately, it is now going to be closing for the season, meaning you'll have to wait until 2021 and beyond to actually ride the pipe coaster. But I do definitely recommend it. It was a lot of fun. Until next time, guys, take care for now.